I found the baby birds. Yeah, there's little babies inside this hole. Do you see Sue or Connor outside? Well, I'm gonna hand them down to you. I think they just hatched. They're tiny. I'm gonna cut it. Once I get to that part, I'm gonna hand it to you. All right, you ready? I'm gonna bring this down to you. I just seen Sue a minute ago. She was walking beside the shed there when I yelled, "Hey, Sue." I mean, these things are bait, they're tiny. I mean, I figured he's a bird person. What's his name would know. They're inside that knot with the hole in it. Oh my God. I wanted to make sure I got enough of it that they'd be safe. They're in there. There's like 3 of them maybe. Maybe. I think we did see a bald eagle inside the road on the way here. Where'd you go? It's another nest. I thought it was empty, but there's eggs in this one. No. Just eggs. Some kind of eggs, I don't know.
Damn animal.
I thought it was empty. I almost dropped it. It's a super cool nest. It's a badass looking nest. Mistletoe and so on. I mean, it's super cool looking. Just set it off to the side in the shade somewhere. they'll do something with it, I guess. That, I mean, that is a cool ass freaking nest. Alright, we saved the birds. They're with the babies. Put them up in that other tree over there, 2 separate nests. I think Connor said one's a woodpecker babies, and then what did he say, mockingbird? I think he said mockingbird at the end. Everything's done. The birds are somewhere. The nests are up here. Connor said that was cool, so I think he said those are mockingbird eggs in there. Looks super cool little nest. And I'm pretty sure he said those are woodpecker little babies in there inside the hole in the wood. He said that's what woodpeckers doing. I mean, it makes sense. They're always chewing holes in trees, you know.